Hey, this is Gare Moore, and this is a video about how to wire these LED push button latching power switches. The 5-wire version. This black wire is the negative for the light, and this blue wire is connected to the yellow wire when the button is off. We want to connect those both to the negative of our power supply, and this green wire is connected to the yellow wire when the button is pressed. We want to connect that to the positive of the power supply, and this yellow wire is the common output. This red wire is the positive feed for the LED inside the switch. It's connected when it's connected to the output. When you push the button, the light inside the switch comes on. Try to get it to show up. My connections are getting loose. My connections are loose. There we go. My wire was loose. In this configuration, the light inside the switch comes on only when the load is on. And if you want the light to be on as long as the power supply is on, you just take this red wire and connect it to the positive end of the power supply. Like that. See, now the light is on all the time, regardless if the switch is on. And that could be useful if you're controlling a bank of these switches with one master switch. Now this will stay on until you unplug the power supply. This isn't so useful if you're using this as a master control switch to control a bank of these switches. But if you have a bank of these switches and you want them all to light up when you turn on one master switch, this is the configuration to use. Otherwise, you probably want to connect the light to the output so that when the button is pressed, it turns on. Let's go over the wiring one more time. Black is the negative for the light. Blue is connected to yellow when the switch is not pressed. Green is connected to yellow when the switch is pressed. Red is the power feed for the LED inside the switch, the positive. And yellow is the output. That'll be it for this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on social media. Support me by buying from my stores. Links are in the link tree. Goodbye.